How's it going, everybody? MonkeyNutz here. Welcome back to Alchemy Factory Workshop, where I build blueprints for this week's upcoming Let's Play episode. Only this week we're doing something a little different. This here is the Jupiter Relic blueprint that I built for the last video. We're going to start with a 4x3 layout of tables, 4 long, 3 wide. Find the center and put 2 table saws. The way I found center here was just by measuring in 6 belts. Okay. Now we're going to put the supply portal right next to it. That supply portal is going to be for logs. Next, I set up the small wooden gears. All right. Each table saw is going to feed 6 machines, and you want it to go through, split 3 different ways into the grinders. One grinder feeds 2 machines, this grinder feeds these 2 machines, so on and so forth. These machines turn large wooden gears into small wooden gears. We're going to go through here, and this is where we set up the shaper. That is small wooden gears complete. The next thing is going to be to go 1 over, because I want this to be able to get a belt out. And we're going to place 6 table saws in a row here. Four of these table saws feed directly into the machine making the Jupiter Relic, because it's going to need 108. Well, these numbers are going to change depending on your upgraded levels here. So if you haven't had any upgrades yet, these numbers are going to be different than yours, but the ratios will remain the same. You're going to want to put 2 table saws per 1 belt. 2 table saws here and into that port there. Now we need another portal right here for more wood logs. And then we need to feed that portal. So the easiest way to do that is just going to be to grab some wood blocks, go right here, and then we can take a belt directly over the top of all of this. And go up right here, and then just bring your coins in however you're going to bring your coins in. Send them over the top. Make sure you press T to flip this guy around. Make sure the bottom is pointing the right direction before you click the mouse, because then it spins the top. Okay. So we'll send the coins into the supply portal. Come around the back to feed all of these. And the final setup is for our wooden pulleys. So take your grinders. We want 3, 6, 9 of them feeding these machines here. Set it up like this, and then like this. These are set up to make flax fiber. They feed directly into the linen rope machines. The linen rope go directly into the assemblers for the wooden pulleys. Over the top here, I have the wood coming from the saws here. Just like that. Here's where we set up the nurseries. Where are they? Inside these nurseries, you're going to place the flax seeds. And then you need to feed it with clay. That is the complete build for the Jupiter Relic. And this will increase how many you make by what level upgrade you're on with the, which one is it? Factory efficiencies here. Device production speed. So as soon as you start increasing that, this is double from what I started at with just 2 upgrades. So that upgrade is worth building this twice. That blueprint is designed to be attached right to the side of the large clay blueprint that I made before that feeds the soap and the vitality potions. And that's what it looks like at full speed. It runs constantly and never stops. Nice. Don't forget that you are going to have to figure out a way to get coins throughout the build. And this one here, I just added right to it the register. The register feeds into a couple of storage containers here before heading off to the rest of the build. Here's the copper coins going into this portal, over the top here, into this supply portal. The coins that I have running this way head back over there to feed the fertilizer build. You're also going to want a relic stand and a way to sell these, so you'll launch them right off the table onto the stand. You can have multiple stands. I could probably set another stand up right here and get this one to launch past it. Yeah. Nice. You know, I really want to expand the workshop, make it just a little bit bigger. But this looks so cool right here on the corner. I don't want to get rid of it. There's another look at the completed build. If you guys enjoyed the video, let me know. Hit that thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more, smash that subscribe button and meet me back here every week. I'm MonkeyNutz. Have a good one, everybody.